Welcome to Nari Saki, and today let's see how to boil corns. Very easy, healthy, and quick recipe. A very healthy snack for kids. So here I have taken corns. They are cleaned, removed all the uh, leaves which are outside, like covering the corn is inside. Those leaves removed and washed them nicely. I'm going to boil some water, and once water is about to boil, it's coming to a boiling point, I'm going to add corns. You can also use pressure cooker. Pressure cooker, just two whistles with some salt and whatever spices you want to add, you can add. So I'm adding some salt, and I'm adding turmeric because my mother used to add turmeric. We used to get corns from the field which didn't use much pesticides, and so the turmeric will help to kill any microorganism if there are any. I've already washed it very nicely, but just adding turmeric, it will give a nice color also. Cover it, make sure the water doesn't spill out, so there is enough space. So you can cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. It doesn't take much time to cook corn if they're soft. There are some hard varieties which you need to pressure cook or take more time. So these are cooked properly. So I'm going to take them out of the water, and then you can uh, put some butter on it. It tastes really good with the butter. So this I have salted butter. The salt which I know. Or the other option is take lemon and take any kind of red pepper, paprika, and rub it. It will give nice tangy, salty, buttery, and a spicy flavor, which is really wonderful flavor. So do try this recipe and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you and have a blessed day.